In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add task in ClickUp. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head to ClickUp. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your home view or wherever you last worked. This is your hub, but to keep everything organized, you want to add tasks in the right place so they're easy to find later. Next, look to the left sidebar for your spaces. A space is like a department or project area that holds all the related work. Click the space where this task belongs. If you work across multiple teams, take a moment to choose the space that matches the project you're working on. Picking the correct space now saves you from moving tasks around later. Inside that space, you'll see its structure, usually folders and lists. Click Lists to view the lists available in this space. Think of a list as a bucket of tasks for a specific topic, sprint, or deliverable. If you already know which list you need, select it. If you're unsure, choose the list that best matches your task's scope so teammates will know exactly where to look. Now that you're in the right list, find the Add Task option. Depending on your layout, this might be a plus button, a row labeled Add Task at the top or bottom of the list, or a button near the toolbar. Click it to open the task entry field. If your workspace uses a compact view, you may see an inline field. In other setups, a task window will open with more options. Enter your task. Start with a clear, action-oriented title so anyone can understand what needs to be done at a glance. Short and specific is best. For example, draft Q2 report outline, rather than something vague like report. If a task window appears, you can also add helpful context in the description so people know the goal, scope, or any key links. Many teams like to set details such as assignee, due date, or priority right here if available, which keeps work moving without back and forth. If you're entering several tasks in a row, keep your naming consistent to make sorting and searching easier later. Once you confirm the task, it will appear in your list. You can drag it to reorder, update its status as work progresses, or open it again anytime to refine the details. That's all there is to it. To recap, go to ClickUp, choose the correct space, open Lists, click Add Task, and enter a clear, focused task. With that, you're ready to keep your work organized and your team aligned. Thanks for watching, and happy tasking in ClickUp.